How you can pause the reels into your Instagram. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how you can pause any of the reel that you want to pause into your Instagram. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Instagram and go into your reel section. Now if you want to pause any of the reels, so you just have to tap and hold the reel and you are able to pause the reel. So this is the only option that you can pause your Instagram reel, because the Instagram doesn't give you any specific option to pause the reel, but you can do one another option. For that you have to click on these three dots that is in the bottom right corner and go in the sequence, and from here you can pause from any section that you want to pause, and you can also edit the reel as you want. So this is how you can pause any of the reel that you want to pause into your Instagram. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.